Hello everyone, welcome you all to VR Analytical Services, your data services partner for training and consultancy in data engineering courses like SQL and data analytics and business intelligence tools like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Power BI and Tableau, and data science courses like Python and machine learning. In this video, we are going to discuss an interesting topic of animated bar chart race in Power BI desktop. So it looks like this. So it changes over a period of time. Now let us see how to create this animated bar chart race using Power BI desktop. So it is mainly used to see how the categories change over a period of time in a bar chart. Now let us open the Power BI desktop. So here we are using orders dataset from sample superstore. So first of all, we need to import this visual. This visual is not part of the standard visuals which are available in the Power BI here. So we need to import this from Power BI online store. So in order to do that, we have to click more here and we need to get the advanced visual. So you can click on this get more visual and again select get more visuals. So now this will open the Power BI online store. So here we need to search for animated bar chart. So here we have this animated bar chart race. So you can just select this. Now it is a free chart. You can add this to the Power BI desktop. So click on add here. It would be added to the Power BI desktop. So here we go. We have successfully imported this visual to the Power BI report. Okay, click OK here. Now, in order to create this chart, just select this animated bar chart race here once. Now, we need to add the fields here to name, value, and period. So for the name, we can choose state. And for the value, we can choose sales. And for the period, we have to choose a date. So here we can choose the order date. You can drag and drop order date into period. Okay. Now you can see how it is changing for a period of time. So here, since we have the lowest period as day, so it is changing for each day. Okay, so this is how we can create this animated bar chart race in Power BI desktop. So it settles down at the 31st. So you can see it has settled down at 31st. So it changed from the start of the month, that is 1st to 31st. So end of the month is 31st. So it has changed. So you can see the New York State has the highest sales at the end. Okay. Now we have various options to customize this. So we can choose the time period like a day, month, or quarter, or a year, or which the bar chart would change. So here, instead of having day, we can choose say month. Again, it will change. It will change from the first month to the 12th month. Now, month on month, here you can see the changes. So now we will have it at year level. So we can remove the month and also the quarter. You can see it changing over different years from 2014 to 2017. Okay. Now, we can also customize the duration or speed at which the visual changes. So either we can slow down or we can enhance the speed at which the visuals are changing. So in order to do that, we have to go to format here, format your visual here. And here in the Visualization settings, this is the customer name given by the company which developed this visual. So you can expand this. So here we have the duration. Now it is set to 1000. So you can either increase or decrease this. So if you decrease it, so that if you make it 100, so you can see the changes that happen very quickly. So you can set a reasonably slow pace. So you can set it at say 3000. Now it happens a bit slower. You can see how each state is changing with respect to the sales over a period of time from 2014 to 17. And also we have the option to select the top n categories like top 5, top 10 or top 3 in the particular list of categories or states. So how can we do that? So here we have the option for top n. You can just have a look at it. So here we have the option for top n. You can choose top 10 states or top 5 states. So let us choose top 10 states. Or let us choose top 5, and you can see how it changes from 2014 to 2017. So it would list out the top 5 states with respect to sales. You can also mention top 10 here if you would like to. And we can change the title as well in the general, in the title. So here we can change the title to animated bar chart race. And we can increase the, we can change the heading to 2, and we can increase the font size say 30, and we can make it as bold, and we can make it center, and we can do underline. So this way we can customize this visual. So thank you all for watching this. For more interesting videos like this, please comment on this video and also like our video and follow us and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.